Alright, this is our Christmas day in Irmo, South Carolina. The creek by the house says flooded. And this is what we have on Christmas Day, December 25th, 2009. This is my neighbor's doghouse. All the way. And there it is. I'm standing in the water. See my boots? Alright, take you to the bridge. I'm walking down the sidewalk at my house, and guess what? The neighbor's yard right by the creek. Squirrel just ran through the water. Let's go down and look at the bridge. Wow. It is raining. Look at this. This bridge right here is probably about 8 feet, 10 feet deep. I'm gonna walk across this bridge. I'm crazy, right? I know. Look at that. Get all the trash that's built up. And this is the street. Further down the street. Flooded. Let's go across the street. Don't go through there. Wow. The other side of the bridge. Merry Christmas, everybody. Some people got snow. You got rain. I want to see a car come through this thing. Merry Christmas, Gail! Feliz Navidad! How you doing? Good. Alright. I hear videoing, man, some of this stuff. Whew.